Alright, Tram Doctor packing up for Dayton 2023. Tired. Been a long weekend. It's Saturday and everything is slowing down, so I'm going to start packing up. This was my, I guess, front visual table, and D104 is up here, and a black fin, a new 522, Diamond Eagle, Night K Eagle, Golden Eagle, in the box Golden Eagle, regular D104, Silver Eagle, clean D104, Silver Eagle with the modded volume control thing at the bottom, and more mics and stuff. Sold a lot of bird slugs. That's one thing to sell. Didn't sell. Sold one or two power supplies. Hit a bunch. Over here's the tubes I brought. Some 6LF6, 6LQ6s, and sold a few. I don't think I sold any 572Bs. When I don't bring them, people ask about them. You do bring them, people don't buy them. CB stuff back here. People always ask, like, you know, you bring a Brownie Golden Eagle. You know, I usually don't bring one, so I brought my cleanest and got no bites. Brought a Browning 180 amp, some Demco stuff back there, some mics, clean Tram D201, bought that Blackcat watt meter scope. Here's one you don't see every day, Stoner Pro 40, Tram D64 mobile, Tram D80 mobile, Tram watt meter, Hickok CB monitor, some junk stuff there, box of junk we started packing up down here. Oh, I think I bought all this stuff. Old that's a 2-tube amp. Kind of looks like a Blackcat, but I don't think it was a Blackcat. The one on the right, and a Blackcat older one in the middle, and a sonar BR2911. Those are rare with that color, that sonar. Doesn't do a lot of watts. And last over here is mostly the amps. Here's a big money one I bought here. Ameritron AL82 modified to a 3-tuber, 3500Zs. Galaxy 2000. I got the power supply, but that's in the van. Dentron Clipperton L. This was mine. I had brought it here. Dentron MLA 2500. A couple watt meters. Bought this here. More big money. Golden Falcon 2000. And over here a Dentron and an Alpha 76 3-tuber. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye.